Alright, well, we all know McKee's 37 offers a huge array of products to maintain and keep your vehicle looking its best. Here's quite a few different products, but not even close to all of the products that they offer. But the question is, what if I don't want to do a full wash? I just washed my vehicle 3 or 4 days ago and I just want to maintain it. It's got a little bit of dust. It just needs some upkeep. What do I do then? You want the truth? Well, you can't handle the truth. The truth is, it really only takes 3 products to maintain your vehicle. And that's these 3 right here. Waterless Wash on the Go, SiO2 Ceramic Detail Spray, and the SiO2 Tire Shine Enhanced. We're going to start off by putting about 32 ounces of liquid water in a bottle, preferably distilled water, and we're going to add 2 ounces of Waterless Wash on the Go concentrate, and this is going to make our Waterless Wash ready to use solution. It's that easy. Alright, we're going to start off by spraying the panel liberally. This product does not cost a lot to make, so spray it on, spray it a lot, get it nice and saturated. You want lots of lubrication. Make sure the panel isn't too hot. Then grab your favorite microfiber waterless towel. You can spray that, prime it, get it moist, and wipe in straight lines with very little pressure. Flipping the towel often. You want to use clean sides so you don't scratch the vehicle. Now once you've cleaned the panel, you grab your ceramic detail spray and your favorite microfiber applicator towel. You're going to spray it into the towel. You could spray it on the panel if you like, but I have more control spraying it into the towel. You're going to wipe it into the panel, then you're going to flip the towel and you're going to buff it off. It's that easy. The ceramic detail spray is going to give you gloss, protection, and slickness. Check that out. Alright, just repeat the process. Try to do panel at a time. I'm stretching it out a little bit. It is also recommended to do this in the shade, but I don't have that option right now. Waterless Wash on the Go is super versatile. It smells fantastic, guys. I love to smell this product. I could drink it. Let me tell you, this also works on the interior of the vehicle. I'm just showing you the exterior for this video, but you can take this solution right into the interior and wipe all your panels down inside. It is that good. Another way I've found to do waterless wash is to spray directly in front of the towel while you're wiping in its path. This helps with the extra dirty parts of the vehicle, like behind the tire. It just makes it safer, more slick. Now I'm going back over each panel with the ceramic detail spray. Spray into the towel, rub it in, turn the towel around, and buff it off. it doesn't look like this vehicle's dirty, it is very dirty. As you can see, the towel is full of dirt, thus why you're always flipping to a clean side, keeping the towel clean, working clean. Just think clean. McKee's 37 ceramic detail spray. This can be used as a standalone or as a topper to extend your ceramic coating's life. Basically, it has silicone dioxide in it, and it fills pores, pits, valleys to give you a crystal clear look. It gives you that mirror reflection that everybody wants. Well, between filming and messing around with the camera, it probably took me about 25 minutes to do this whole vehicle. But in reality, it should take about 15 to 20 minutes, and maybe even less once you start getting your procedure and techniques down. Guys, here we're going to use the waterless wash for the windows as well, and the McKee's waffle weave towel. This is a super large towel that just does an excellent job on the windows. I mean, you can fold this so many ways. You could probably do 6 or 7 cars with this thing. It's awesome. Oh yes, this can do wheels as well. Waterless wash is super versatile, as I've said. Just spray it on the wheel, grab your dedicated wheel towel, start cleaning. Finally, you're going to grab your SiO2 tire shine. You're going to dress the tire rubber, And hey, look at that. It's a beautiful look. All right, well, that's how I do the in-between foaming car washes. This is a maintenance wash for me. It just gets all the dust off the vehicle, keeps it nice and shiny. I didn't have to break out the power washer and the foam cannons and the wash buckets. 3 products from McKee's. You can do the inside, you can do the rims, you can do the paint, you can do the glass. Awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, give me a subscribe and like. If you didn't, tell me why in the comments below or ask any questions below. Have a great day.